Hello and welcome. The art of fraud. Do you understand? The Uttar Pradesh school teacher reportedly found working simultaneously in 25 schools and earning over rupees 1 crore as salary in 13 months. She was arrested in Kasganj on Saturday. The science teacher named Anamika Shukla was arrested when she had gone to the office of Basic Shiksha Adhikari to tender her resignation. Fearing arrest, when her fraud reported in the media, the BSA called the police and got Shukla arrested. BSA Anjali Agarwal said, "A notice was sent to Anamika Shukla after we found that the documents are listed for multiple postings. She came to our office to submit resignation. She was over to the police. Police said Shukla told them she got the job on paying a bribe of rupees 1 lakh. After the matter was reported, the state government ordered Additional Director Basic Education to probe the matter. There are allegations that she worked as a science teacher in Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya in Ambedkar Nagar, Bagpat, Aligarh, Saharanpur, Prayagraj and other places as well. KGBV teachers are appointed on contract and get rupees 30,000 pay. Kasganj police on Saturday arrested one Priya Singh who was working on the credential of Anamika Shukla. It led cops to believe that multiple persons could be impersonating Shukla using her academic records, but the real Shukla remains exclusive. In the bank in Bagpat district, the salary was coming for different Kasturba Gandhi Vidyalayas from different districts on the name of only single person. Then the doubt occurred in their mind. They immediately contacted the district coordinator of Balika Shiksha Ambedkar Nagar. That's how the scam came to light. In this time of unemployment, these types of people are consuming job of many people. But the question is that what is the officers and government is doing? There is a portal of Uttar Pradesh government named Prerna portal, on which every teacher have to mark their attendance on this portal. But it seems to be impossible that how a single teacher could mark her attendance in 25 different schools at the same time. It can't be happen without any interference of officials. It is true that the people from Uttar Pradesh have to go outside to other states for getting job, for getting employment. Surprising that the teacher Anamika Shukla was able to do this despite real-time monitoring of attendance. How can a teacher mark her presence at several places even when they are supposed to mark her attendance on the Prerna portal online? It needs a thorough probe. But now, speaking out, after local media began to refer the racket as Anamika Shukla scam, the woman claimed that her documents had been misused by others and she was jobless.